how to simplify recurring payments and forecast your cash flow? This tutorial will show you how.
This tutorial will include the following: enabling permanent entries, adding a permanent entry, and lastly, posting permanent entries.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll take a look at cash book permanent entries in SYSPRO. So let's get started. We're going to start by going to the SYSPRO ribbon bar and we're going to select Setup and we're going to click on Setup Options. So I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to go to Preference and I'm going to select Financials and I'm going to then click on Cash Book. On Cash Book, I'm going to look for permanent entries required and I'm going to make sure that the box is ticked. Then after ticking the box, I'm going to click on the Save and Exit icon. Okay, remember that the changes you make here in the setup options, you have to exit for them to be effective in SYSPRO. So I'm going to click OK. And that is how you enable permanent entries in the cash book. We're going to start by going to cash book, then we're going to go to setup and we're going to look for permanent entries, cash book. I'm just going to maximize my screen. On day, we're going to enter the day of the month that we want this transaction to go through. I'm going to tap off to now enter the reference. Then I'm going to tap off to enter the bank code. So the one that is defaulted is the one that I want to select. Then I'm going to enter the amount of this transaction. Then I'm going to make sure that on transaction type, withdrawal is selected. Then I'm going to make sure on entry type, permanent is selected. Then on frequency of transfer, we're going to enter 1. And then we're going to, if we want, we can select the expiry date for this transaction. Maybe let's make it the following year, same month, same day. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. And next posting will be on the second month and the year. Let's see, the 6th month and the year 2023. Okay, perfect. Then on line 1, we're going to then enter our description for this transaction. We can say office maintenance. Then we're going to come all the way to ledger integration and we're going to select the company. So AG1 is already selected, we're going to leave it as it is. Then we're going to enter the ledger code. Perfect, and we can enter the narration for the journal. Perfect, then I'm going to click on the save icon. Then I'm going to close this program, and that is how you add a permanent entry. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you this opportunity to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to cash book, then we're going to look for transaction processing, and we're going to scroll all the way to CB permanent entries posting. I'm just going to maximize my screen. Okay, perfect. So on bank, we're going to enter our bank code. We're going to tap off. Then we're going to click on start processing. We're going to click OK. Okay, there we have it. So there we have our journal entry, and here it's telling us that the period that was selected was this period, and here we can see that there is one transaction, number of entries that has been posted, and this is the amount. Okay, so we're going to close this program, and that is how you post a permanent entry. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.